Never buy, never recommend.
Yes.
A Renault, Peugeot,
Okay.
a Mazda. What else? How many are those? 3.
2 more.
2 more. A Hyundai. Actually, I take the Hyundai back. Korean cars are reliable. Korean cars are not too bad. I don't know. I think anything French.
Oh my god!
Anything.
You just put all the cars in one.
Yeah, no. You know why? Because I think like in South Africa, parts are usually more expensive. So when they do break, they're kind of hard to find, number one, and then they're quite expensive to repair. Sometimes even more expensive than like a Mercedes or something, you know? Yeah, so I just stay away from them.
5 cars you would never buy and you would never recommend.
Yeah. Oh. Ford Ranger, specifically, especially the new ones, and the new Amarok also, and an old Fiat Multipla also, the ugliest car, and any ex-rental car, because we all know what's happening there.
Okay, the last one.
Land Rover.
So now, for all those 5 you just listed, what's your reason behind them?
Well, Land Rover there's nothing wrong, it's just unreliable, expensive. Rental car, it's a rental car. Fiat, it's French. No one wants to work on them. And the ugliest car is obviously the ugliest car.
Now, personal preference or
Personal
overall?
preference or overall, any which way?
I would say Ford. That I wouldn't go for Ford. Personal preference, Isuzu. Ford, Isuzu, Suzuki. It's 3. I would say Renault, they are also on the list, and then I would say Kia.
Why are these cars actually?
Because it's a least popular car, I would say. It's a popular car, but this is my personal preference. I wouldn't go for one of those cars.
You would never go for
I would never go for one of those cars.
I'm gonna say any Chinese brand car.
Yeah,
It seems cheap, but then again also when it comes down to crash tests, it doesn't make it through, man. Like the chance of you dying is extremely high.
So all Chinese cars.
Yeah, all Chinese cars, bro.
All Chinese
BYD, Chery, that new guns, that Davao, that what's the other Jayco, Jatua, all
You
of
would never
them.
go for any of them.
None of them. Rather just sticking to some.
supposed to put that on my list.
You see, that's why I asked you to go first, so that I can think about my answer.
Never.
Yes. Let me know your reasons why.
This is gonna be very biased. I like Japanese cars, so most German cars I don't like. So the only German car that I think is good for us. That I won't recommend any German car. I won't recommend any German car besides a BMW. So I don't like Mercedes. I don't like VW or Audi.
Why?
Just because they have finicky problems and it's always something you need to do. Well, maybe because I can't afford them as well. So
5, I would say firstly a Tata. Don't like them. The newer Tatas are probably better, but build quality, horrible. It's a no-go. It's quite nice the sound of those. I actually can't think what cars are too. A Subaru. A Subaru. Look, if you left stock, it will probably be okay, but you know they have the issues as well with the motor. A Mazda RX-8. Also,
Really?
I love rotaries. They sound great, but they're also problematic cars. Iconic but problematic. And this coming from a Mazda owner as well, I would never go for that. And I don't know what else actually. We car guys, we love those cars.
electric cars, don't like.
Yeah,
You would never go for any electric car.
no, maybe a hybrid still, but fully electric, no, not at all.
VW, Hyundai, Renault, Peugeot, that's 4. It's gonna be an interesting one, but Isuzu. So basically just personal preference VW, there's just too much of them. Hyundai, there's no real performance in them. Renault and Peugeot, France cars, I'm not a lover of the French cars. No performance really in those. And then the last one, the Isuzu, I mean there's really nothing to say about the Isuzu. Yeah. I'm just looking at the cars around here, yeah.
Ford 1 liter EcoBoost. That will be one. What else? BMW 20i. I wouldn't recommend that. May think more. That's basically what I've experienced with so far.
Okay, so
problematic.
Problematic. So
Yeah.
what's the reason behind it?
Well, I've heard horror stories about the 20i and the 1 liter EcoBoost, the cooling system. The car overheats if the car overheats. But I'm sure they sorted most of the problems out. Probably with the earlier 1 liter EcoBoost motors. It has the problems.
So that's the reason why you never recommend it.
Yeah. You should rather ask me what cars I would recommend.
Okay, first of all, Hyundai Tucson. Then again, okay, I'm not going to start with modern cars. I know it's fuel efficient cars, this Toyota Breeze. I know it's fuel efficient, but yeah, that. And then another, what is this? This new Toyota.
Okay.
1 liters. Yeah, and
So why wouldn't you recommend them?
I just don't like it. That's personally me. I'm over VW.
VW. So you would recommend VW to anybody, anytime, any day?
I don't like to badmouth because everybody has their own preference.
Yeah, it's personal preference. It's personal preference.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be what every other person says. It's your own choice, your preference.
Okay. Parang say, Tata. Tata Indica.
Yeah.
Firstly, that's Renault also, yeah.
Renault, okay.
Cherry.
Okay.
2 more. What do you think?
And why do you go for these cars? Why are these cars on your list?
Because they're really expensive to fix when they break. You understand? Because it's import motors, import cars. It's import cars, so very expensive to fix.
That's the reason.
Yeah, that's the reason I don't really like them.
Just because of they're imported.
Yes.
No, to anybody, but I'm a German fan, so I would say any Chinese brands, any Asian brands other than Hyundai, because I'm a fan of the i20 inch and the i30 inch. So that's 2, right? Any Chinese cars, any Asian cars, definitely smart cars, definitely not electric cars, definitely not a Tesla. Definitely.
Okay. So why?
Because number one, we love the sound that petrol engines make.
Okay.
Why do you want to listen to nothing while you're driving? You know. So I would say anything electrical, anything that has to do with plugging in to charge. You know, why do you want to plug your car in? You need to drive it. You know, get your fuel. Not get your electricity. In South Africa, is load shedding.
That's a difficult question.
Is it?
Because I would choose, I don't know, any car. It depends how you look after it.
So interesting.
The new cars.
Anyone? Old, new?
I don't know. I'm not against any other brand. So top 5.
Yeah,
Top 5 cars.
That you will never buy, you never recommend.
I don't know. I can't give you an answer.
1, 2, just 1.
That you never recommend. I don't know, Fiat, Italian cars. I would say Italian cars, Fiats. What other cars are there? Opel. I'm not quite sure.
So why,
There's
why
five.
do you choose these cars?
I believe those are the most unreliable cars. That's what they say.